let's do unboxings. I bought this for my kitchen and probably replace that painting. Yeah, because that painting is going somewhere else. And this tray, moving tray, container, rack, whatever you call it, for my kitchen as well. Look at it. Just dope. I bought this for my kitchen as well. So the other day I bought 5. So yesterday I went there again and I added more. Some stuff for my cooking. Jar. For my curtain. Mug. It's not that we doesn't have mug, it's because I never bought mug in my life. I never buy it at all. I never. This is my first time buying mug personally. Because most of the mug at home is actually a gift from people, and most of them is actually from my wedding gift. Yeah, it's pretty long time, so it's time to change. A curtain. I don't know whether this is going to my room or going to my living room. Let's see. The jar. Same jar. Another 2 jar. I think they are doing offer for this one. Yeah, I got it at cheaper price. I'm not sure how much is it. Definitely cheap. If not, I won't buy it. Most of the stuff I already opened, but this is part of it. And this is actually a bar stove. I really wanted to buy this for a very long time already because I'm doing my work at my wet kitchen, my dry kitchen actually. So that area, I actually spend my time more compared to other places in this house. Oh, and my yoga room. But however, I really need to get this one. So husband, please, just don't kill me. Not yet. Honestly, I'm very excited about this. So why don't we install this one first? Let's go! I'm out of my